Hello and welcome back. Now I want to add a screen recording for the demonstration of the select query. So under the Home tab, click on the record screen, then click video record. Now you can see this record screen. You can record the full screen by clicking on the full screen option. But if you wanted to record any specific application or some part of the video screen, then choose custom option. You can resize the screen. But if you select any specific application, it will automatically take their size. I'm going to record Firefox. You have also option for adding webcam and audio. In my case, I just need screen to be recorded. Then click on the record. To end the recording, just press Ctrl+ End. I have selected slide number 3 before recording the screen. Because of that, recording comes on the 4th position. But you can change the position by drag and drop. Now you can preview the recording. You can also apply transitions on this. If you have made any mistakes, don't worry. Just select the video timeline and then click on any timestamp. Now you can see these two ends. Green one is for start and orange one is for end. Drag these two points to select your range. If you wanted to delete this part, then click on delete range. Or if you only wanted to show this part and remove all, then click on crop range. You can undo your action by Ctrl+Z, so don't worry. By the way, don't forget to arrange your slide timeline, otherwise white space will be added. Now our screen recording is ready. But I want to highlight some parts and add text to make our video more interactive. We will see that in the next video. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment. Otherwise, let's keep going.